How to create a Stripe account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for stripe.com or simply search for Stripe. Now, open the website. You can also download the application. Then go to Start Now. Now all you have to do is enter your email, full name, password, select your country from here and then tap on Create Account. Now your account will be created. You might get a verification code in your email that you entered and that will easily create your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.